clear. Take your seat. There you go. I shouldn't be in sixth gear going down this. There's no way I'm going to be able to just go right through this. Stop it! Let him pull in. Turn. We want to avoid running over that curb if we can.
.3 miles ahead, turn left on ramp to I-64 West.
Boy, this is not a great entrance exit deal there. Appreciate that guy going super wide to let us come out though. That was nice of him. He did not have to do that. But anyway, we are 15 to 20 minutes from our delivery. We are 30 minutes from our appointment time. So right now it's all about just getting there. We were told do not show up early.
400 feet ahead, turn left on ramp to I-64 West.
Right, he's probably getting the green lights. Let's just hold back here. Because frankly, I don't trust any of them. He did it without intruding on this lane. That one a little bit less so.
.2 miles ahead, merge left on I-64 West.
All right, nobody coming up on our blind side. We are good to go. Down onto the freeway. You might be seeing some headlights off to our right. That is just a guy behind us with his high beams on. Either high beams or just really high power halogens. I'm not sure which. Maybe a little bit of both. Maybe a little bit of both.
15.8 miles ahead, take exit 96 and then turn right on Kentucky 627 North.
Alright. Exit 96. I can remember that. It is super late. It is 9:30 p.m. and we are only just getting started, my friends. We are only just getting started. Maybe this is all we're doing today. I don't know. We do have our next load, but our next load is all very wide open schedule. So good for us. What we are going to need to do is, depending on how long it takes us to unload at this Save-A-Lot distribution center, we might have to go find somewhere to park nearby if we can. There's a 96 truck stop, and yeah, I guess 96 is not. The 76 was the big chain. I guess 96 is a little independent one. Just maybe trying to capitalize on the name recognition of 76 back when they had name recognition. But no, there's a 96 truck stop at this exit, so we might be able to sneak in there and finish off a break if we get one started at this place where we're unloading. We do have to leave as soon as our trailer is empty, so that means going either to the 96 or coming back here to this exit we just left, and getting a parking spot at either the Pilot or the Shell truck stop there. We will have to do that drive at some point because we're picking up at the Nestle distribution center that I mentioned yesterday. So handy dandy knowing the area-ness. There is a truck wash at this exit where we can get the trailer washed out, but it does not sound like a fun one. The directions are like, pull into this this lock through this chain link fence, call this phone number, and the guy will meet you 30 minutes later. And it's like, oh, that sounds sketch as heck. So that might not be ideal. That might not be ideal. I'll check and see if there's any other washes nearby, but I'd rather not do that particular wash setup at night. So even if, I guess we're going to have to, aren't we? We are going to have to get the trailer washed out because we're hauling margarine. That's a dairy load. We have to get the trailer washed out. So, all right. So we're unless this customer takes so long that I get a break in, then we're probably going to have to find somewhere to take a break. Because I don't want to go into this trailer washout place during the night. I want to go in there during sunlight when I can see what's going on. And I know we can be safe about it. Because it sounds super sketch. So we're going to wait till the daytime tomorrow, even though we can pick up our next load anytime between midnight and midnight. We can pick this one up. I really don't want to go into that trailer washout place this late at night. And I assume that it says it's open 24/7, but it sounds like it's just one dude that has to come out and wash your trailer, and I'm guessing he charges extra at night. And it's going to be super grumpy if I call and wake him up. So it's better off for everybody we just wait till morning. Find somewhere after we unload to take an 8-hour break if it hasn't been 8 hours already. And we'll deal with that tomorrow. Some available super late last night. Maybe we'll get lucky again today. Nobody coming, sweet. Oh yeah, there's still spots left. Heck, we might even be able to get the same spot. I assume you're coming out, so I will move over. Oh, your headlights are bright. That spot dead ahead is a handicap spot, so we're not going to go there. Oh, good! They put down some salt tonight. Good grief, Maxwell, that squeak. That squeak is unreasonable. Unreasonable, man. I swear it's actually gotten worse since I WD-40'd it. Let's try not to move. Oh, yeah, we might be able to just get the same exact spot that we left this morning. This afternoon, evening, tonight. Ah, stop it, Maxwell. Stop it, Maxwell. Stop your belly aching. Oh, or is this a super easy spot open here? No, that's bobtail. You jerk.
Double parked. You're not even a wide load. Just for that, I'm parking next to you, dude. That is a jerk move. I normally don't park next to flat batters, but
go. Where's the line on my right? I don't actually see it. Huh. Double check, make sure I don't need to budge over a little bit. We are kind of far from the guy on the left. Though I think the parking spots here might just be super wide, so we'll see. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Ellie as the Ranger17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe. And of course, come say hi on Twitter at EllieO'Dare, no apostrophe. Yeah, we sleep here tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. If you're keeping track, we are 2 spots over from where I parked last night. 2 spots. So close, so close. We were on the other side of this CR England to my left.